Are you planning to start a business or side hustle in 2025? Then this video might literally save you thousands of dollars. Hi, and welcome to Financial Level, where we break down real strategies to help you grow wealth smartly, legally, and with confidence. Today, we're diving into one of the most important tools for any entrepreneur or freelancer in 2025, the LLC, and more importantly, the top tax write-offs you can claim legally once your LLC is set up. If you've ever felt confused about what's deductible and what's not, this video is your shortcut to clarity and to keeping way more money in your pocket. From home office expenses, equipment, mileage, software, travel, meals, and even health insurance, we'll break it all down, step by step, with real examples and updated 2025 IRS guidelines. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're serious about building wealth and not wasting money, then Financial Level is your go-to guide for real financial gems like this one. Startup costs. When you start an LLC, your initial startup costs are deductible. That includes filing fees, legal consultations, licenses, and even your first marketing flyers. If you're investing money to bring your business to life, that's a business expense. Save your receipts. It adds up. Did you know your LLC filing fee is actually a write-off? Let me know in the comments if that surprised you. Home office. If you're working from home, a portion of your rent or mortgage, utilities, and internet can be deducted. If you're using part of your home regularly and exclusively for business, even your home desk, chair, and lighting count. Just keep it reasonable and document everything. Use IRS Form 8829 for the home office deduction. It's easier than most people think. Vehicle, using your car for business, you can deduct mileage, insurance, gas, repairs, and even lease payments if the vehicle is in your business name. Two methods, standard mileage or actual expenses. Pick the one that saves you more. Would you rather deduct your mileage or your car lease? Drop your pick below. Advertising. Let's talk about one of the most powerful and often misunderstood write-offs: advertising and marketing expenses. Every single dollar you spend to promote your business, whether online or offline, is 100% tax deductible. Yes, you heard that right. Running ads on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, Google ads for your product or website, printing flyers, brochures, banners, or even old-school business cards. All of that goes straight into the advertising deduction column on your business tax return. Why? Because building a brand, gaining visibility, and getting customers costs money, and the IRS fully understands that. But here's the catch. You need to document every dollar. Save your ad receipts, screenshots of campaign reports, invoices from designers or agencies, even your Fiverr order confirmation for that logo or copywriting gig. Whether you're spending $50 or $50,000, as long as it's for growing your business, it's deductible. You can literally spend $10,000 on ads in 1 year and write every penny off your taxable income. That's not just a marketing expense, that's smart scaling. Wages and contractors. As your business grows, there comes a point where you can't do everything alone, and that's actually a good thing. Because when you hire employees or independent contractors, you're not just buying back your time, you're unlocking some of the most powerful tax deductions available to business owners. Let's break it down. Whether you hire full-time W-2 employees or freelancers and gig workers through 1099 contracts, their payments are all 100% tax-deductible business expenses. That includes wages and salaries, bonuses, and commissions over time, payroll taxes like Social Security and Medicare contributions, health benefits, dental, vision, even retirement plan matches, and contractor invoices paid through PayPal, Upwork, Fiverr, etc. Why does the IRS allow this? Because when you invest in people who help your business run, whether it's a virtual assistant, video editor, web developer, or customer service rep, the IRS sees that as a legitimate business cost. And here's the best part. Even if someone only helps you for 5 hours a week, that's still deductible. Just keep clean records, save payroll reports, keep signed 1099 contracts, record payment logs, Zelle, PayPal, Wire, etc. Issue proper tax forms, W-2 or 1099 NEC, at year-end. Real question for you. Have you ever paid someone to help in your business? Maybe a freelancer, VA, or even someone who just helped you get organized. Tell me in the comments how it changed your productivity. I bet it made a huge difference. Services and legal fees. Running a business means you wear a lot of hats, but smart entrepreneurs know when to delegate. And here's the good news. Every time you hire a professional service provider to support your business, that payment is often 100% tax deductible. We're talking about CPA or bookkeeper who helps you manage your taxes, a virtual assistant who handles emails or scheduling, a legal consultant for contracts or compliance, a graphic designer who builds your brand's look, even a social media manager, video editor, or content strategist. If they're providing a business-related service, their fees, retainers, and even one-time charges can all be deducted as a business expense under professional services on your tax return. But here's what matters. Always ask for an official invoice or receipt, even if it's from a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork. Always pay through your business account or credit card, not your personal bank account. Mixing personal and business funds, that's where deductions can get denied or questioned. Bonus tip: meals and travel. Here's something a lot of new business owners don't realize. You can deduct your business meals and travel, legally and smartly, but there are rules you need to know. Let's break it down. Business meals, if you take a client, partner, or prospect out for coffee, lunch, or dinner, you can deduct 50% of that cost. So that $60 client dinner, you can write off $30. But, and this is crucial, you must document who you were with, what was discussed, business purpose, where you went, why it relates to your business. Even writing a quick note on the receipt like dinner W potential client. Discussed marketing strategy is enough. Save that receipt. Use an app like Expensify or QuickBooks to track it. Business travel. Now here's the exciting part. Business travel is 100% deductible. Flights, hotels, transportation, Uber, taxis, rental cars, meals while traveling, 50% rule still applies. Wi-Fi, luggage fees, travel-related subscriptions. If the trip was primarily for business, even if you enjoy the beach for an hour, it qualifies. Just remember, keep your itinerary note, the purpose of the trip. Keep all your receipts. Digital is fine. Don't mix personal travel with business days unless you know how to separate them for taxes. Why LLCs are powerful. An LLC separates your personal and business finances, making taxes easier, liability lower, and deductions way more structured. You protect your assets while unlocking dozens of tax benefits. It's not just smart, it's essential in 2025. Quick recap: startup costs, home office, vehicle, advertising, wages, services, meals, and travel. These are real IRS-approved deductions every smart LLC owner should use. Most people miss out simply because they didn't know. If this gave you even one money-saving idea, hit that like button right now. It helps more entrepreneurs see this. Got a question? Drop it in the comments. I answer as many as I can. And remember, you're not just building a business, you're leveling up your financial life. Subscribe to Financial Level and stay ahead of the money game.